Our local salmon population is struggling. With numbers declining across the Pacific Northwest, it's more important than ever to support the health of our watershed. Recent research shows one of the main causes of coho salmon decline is an additive found in car tires known as 6-ppdq. Fine particles of 6-ppdq are left on roadways during driving, and stormwater runoff goes into our streams and rivers. It's estimated that the equivalent of 100,000 car tires per year spread into the environment from our roadways in Washington state alone.
The Bellevue College Sustainability Office and grounds team are working together to restore habitat on our campus and have installed several bio-urban retrofit devices, or BURritos, made of a mix of compost and sand that help filter out 6-ppdq and other contaminants before they go into the watershed. With the help of students, staff, and faculty volunteers, and supported by the Student Environmental Sustainability Fund, they monitor 6-ppdq levels and maintain native plantings. Together, we work towards restoring the natural ecosystem on campus and improving water quality downstream to keep the region's salmon population healthy.